Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I am going to take a class 4 class 2. Our subject is social science. Today is our lecture number 3. Our topic is lesson 3, reading done, and exercise A, C and D. Homework 2 will be given today. So dear students, let's look at lesson 3, our society. Let's read. Man is a social being. Man cannot live alone. Every man is born in a society. We live in a family. Apart from our family, we have our relatives, friends and neighbors. All of them form society. Generally, society means a group of people. They are living together for some purpose and have good relations with each other. Basis of society is unity. Every society has some rules and regulations. The relationship of men to one another is of companionship. The relation of love and affection is also a part of a society. Therefore, society is the network of social relationship among mankind. Let's look at the pictures. In this picture, you can see relationship between friends. Here, you can see the relationship in a family. And here, you can see a relationship between businessmen. Okay, dear students, let's do the question answer. Number A, what is society? Answer. Society means a group of people. They are living together for some purposes and have good relations with each other. Number B, why does man live in a society? Answer. Man is a social being. Man cannot live alone. Every man is born in a society. Man lives in a society for some purposes. C. What kind of relationships do we see in a society? Answer. In a society, we can see various kinds of relationships, such as companionship, love, and affection. Next, we will do exercise C, and this will also be your homework from this class. So let's go to exercise C. Fill in the gaps. Number 1. Every man is born in a society. The blank is on, is born. Every man is born in a society. Number 2, man is a dash being. The answer is social. Man is a social being. Number 3, society means a blank of people. In the blank, the answer will be group. Society means a group of people. Number 4, they have good relation with each other. The blank is on the word other. They have good relation with each other. Number 5, society is a blank of relationship. The answer is network. Society is a network of relationship. Let's go to the next one. Exercise D. This is true false. Identify true and false from the following sentences. Number 1, man is a social being. This sentence is true. Number 2, man cannot live without a society. This sentence is also true. Next sentence, number 3, society means living apart. This is false. Number 4. Man can think his her life without a society. This sentence is also false. Okay, dear students, you will do exercise C, fill in the gaps as your homework. Okay, this class ends here. Hope you all stay fine. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.